afternoon. You are connected to IndiHome. Is there anything I can help you with?
Good afternoon. I want to ask for help with my internet network problems.
If I may know, what is the problem?
My internet connection is not working well. It has been disconnected several times. Often it is disconnected, the speed is very slow.
Okay, please let me check to see if there is a problem with the network in your area. May I know your subscriber ID number?
Yes, it's 2323.
Thank you. Our system saw that there is a New York problem in your area and we are currently fixing it. Estimated repair time is 1/24.
Then what shall I do?
Sorry, the best you can do it is wait. We are doing our best to get it back to normal. We will let you know via email until the issue is fixed.
Alright then.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you.
Again, sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you for connecting.